Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. The current 6th generation Lexus ES, the company's venerable and hugely popular front-wheel drive luxury sedan, just turned 6 this year. With the automotive genus, specifically the passenger car species, that is getting quite old, and so it's naturally time for a next-generation replacement. Earlier this week, Lexus decided to reveal the 7th generation ahead of this year's Beijing International Automotive Exhibition. Lexus didn't have many words to say with its press release of the new 2019 S sedan, we presume in an attempt to let the picture do the talking. But it's safe to say that the new S, although entering a new generation, will keep with the tradition of all other previous versions of being a nicer driving Toyota Camry dressed up in a suit. That means we wouldn't be surprised if the new Lexus S was designed using Toyota's TNGA, or Toyota New Global Architecture. This is the same platform currently underpinning the front-wheel-driven Toyota Avalon, Corolla, Prius, and coincidentally, the Camry. So expect the new 2019 Lexus S to continue with its front-wheel drive layout as standard. Though rumors in recent times suggest the next-generation Lexus S could gain an option for all-wheel drive. Again, no details are available just yet, but the current Lexus S comes in gas-only and hybrid form. Naturally, we're anticipating the same for the new model. The standard engine for the S350 is the same 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 as found in the Toyota Camry, but with 268 horsepower instead of 301. The current S300 hybrid features a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder, mated to an electric motor for a total of 200 horsepower. On the fuel economy front, the result an EPA rating of 30 miles per gallon city, 39 highway, and a combined average estimate of 40 miles per gallon. The Lexus S isn't known as a particularly exciting vehicle. But it's clear that the new S takes on a far more dramatic design than the outgoing model. You can also see lots of inspiration from Lexus' latest flagship, the full-size LS sedan. Most of the previous S models also weren't very sporty. But given Toyota's recent change, favoring driving performance more considerably with newer vehicles, such as the impressive 301 horsepower Toyota Camry XSE V6 as of recent, it gives us hope that the new S just might become a little bit more interesting, in a from-left-field sort of way. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.